Jenny with Nursing Digipedia. In today's video, I'm going to demonstrate how to wear a mask properly and remove it safely after use. Even more than 2 years after the deadly COVID pandemic, surprisingly, a major portion of the population still wears masks incorrectly. So first, let's talk about the very common mistakes people make while wearing a mask like this.
One common mistake people make while wearing the mask is that they wear it under the nose. Another common mistake is wearing the mask by exposing both the mouth and nose. People also often wear it loose, failing to close the gap between the nose and the cheeks. Sometimes people fail to pull the mask down below the chin. People also at times wear the mask upside down. Sometimes people wear the mask in the opposite direction. And people occasionally or frequently touch the front of the mask, and the front of the mask is considered being contaminated.
So you must understand, wearing a mask incorrectly below the nose, below the mouth or too loose is just as bad as not wearing one at all. So let me show you how to wear a mask properly and safely. So first, to determine which part of the mask is the top part. If you touch the mask and feel that there is a flexible metal band, basically that is the top part. Next is to identify which is the front and the back. For this, you have to follow the pleats. If the pleats are pointing downwards, that is the front, and if the pleats are pointing upward, that is the back. Before you wear this mask, always perform hand hygiene either by using soap solution or with alcohol-based hand sanitizer. Now, wear a mask by holding the loop like this. Next, press the metal strip and make sure there is no gap in between. Now, hold the metal strip and pull down the mask to cover your chin.
Take off the mask by removing it using the elastic loops without touching the front of the mask, as the front of the mask is considered contaminated.
So friends, that's it for today's video. I hope you will wear your mask properly. I will see you soon with the next video. Till then, stay safe and stay healthy.